Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top. And on the second position from the right, we've got the resolution, so simply tap on it. In this device, we've got two different options. So FHD, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, and 4K. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately highlighted. You can also see it on this icon, and it means that from now on, our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Under it, we've got frames per second, so if you want to, you can also change them from 30 to 60. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.